How to install Vagrant. So you go to Vagrant and you type download. So I click on this first one. So I'll click on install. So you can install for Mac, you can install for Windows or Linux. I'll go with Windows and I'll go with, my system is not AMD, so I'll go with the second one. So I'll click on download. So it's downloading it for me. So I'll wait for it to complete. Now that Vagrant is completed, so I'll double click. So I'll click I accept, I'll click install. So I'll click on the pop, I'll click it. So I'll wait for it to finish. So I'll click on finish. I'm going to restart my computer, so I'm going to do that. So that's how to install Vagrant.